Evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, May the 27th, and we're breaking bomb box full size helmets. Randomed up our 37 remaining boxes. Got number 57. Random teams for this on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody, gave y'all a chance to trade. I had a couple trades that did go down this break. They have been entered. Guys. Man, we are definitely due for a couple of monsters coming up here, guys. Bam! Not a bad hit, but not one of our big boys again. We've been missing our big boys the last couple of days. Gonna be a ram hit with the Marshall Faulk, folks. Bam! Marshall Faulk Eclipse. Authentic Beckett card and sticker on that. Wow, well, that is going to be Deck's first hit in the room. Well, you got lucky you didn't trade that spot, Dex. That is going to be a ram hit with the Marshall Faulk Eclipse Authentic. On the ram spot again, just gonna double check. Yes, sir, that is Dex on that one. Oops, there goes one of my damn dice. Dex's first hit in the room there. Look at my damn dice. Bring that up. Switch out our cameras. I'm going to pull Dex out in a second, but we got a 5 on our qualifier dice roll. Bam. All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times, guys. I got Raw again and Z. Same qualifiers as last round there, I do believe. Yes, sir. Raw and Z are going to be the qualifiers again. 63 and 64, everybody. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook, folks. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.